and welcome to Stella's Baking Adventures. Today we're going to be making some spooky treats. They're going to be Rice Krispy Treats that are spooky, and it's the perfect weather outside because it's rainy and stormy. Let's get started. I got this spooky kit from Target and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And we're going to be reviewing it and how easy it is and how hard it is. And if you guys think it's easy, then leave a comment down below. Let's take a look at what comes inside the box. We have some Rice Krispy Treats. Ooh, marshmallow is my favorite. We have some orange frosting, some black frosting, more candy eyes, and some sticks. Let's get to it. First, let's start with reading our directions. Okay, so we'll need our Rice Krispies. We'll need our marshmallows. We'll need 2 tablespoons of butter. And we'll need our dye packet, which I forgot to mention. Let's get started. You want an adult to help you put the Rice Krispies in a pan. And you may need some help spreading them. Sometimes they're hard. Now we have to leave the Rice Krispy Treats on the counter until they're completely cool. I waited about 30 minutes for my Rice Krispy Treats to fully cool. And now we're going to put them on our parchment paper, and then we're going to cut them into 8 rectangles. Let's do it. Make sure you have adult supervision when using knives. I had my mom help me put the sticks into the Rice Krispy Treats because they're kind of hard, so don't be afraid to ask for help. Now let's get to decorating. Now you can do the exact same designs as they did on the box, or you can do them the way you like. We got these fun sprinkles last year and I decided to use the spider ones, so I'm going to use those. Now it's time to taste test. That's really good. 10 out of 10. Oh, that is good. I give it 2 thumbs up. I think this is an easy baked treat for any young chefs like me. I hope you had a spooky good time. I'll see you next time on Stella's Baking Adventures. Bye!